Morning, grade 2. So we are going to begin with the lesson 1 of the term 2. So are you so excited to learn? Yes. The name of the lesson is Wild Animals. So today I'm going to share the screen with all of you. I want to make the lesson little interesting for all of you. Are you excited to see the textbook along with when ma'am is teaching? So that it will help you to understand the important words you can underline. And some children are not taking their they are not taking the textbooks when ma'am is teaching them. So I just want children to be very much alert, and you need to have a little interest while ma'am is showing you on the board, so that you can see all the animals on the board. So what is the name of the lesson? Can everybody read it? It is the wild animals. Okay. So now let's start reading. I want you to open to page 91. This page is 9191. If you can see the page number 91, open to page 91 and you will start reading along with me in your mind. And wherever there is underlining, and you have to underline the word. I'm using a red pencil. You can use a black pencil. Okay, so let's begin with the lesson. Some animals live in the jungle. What do you mean by jungle? Jungle, jungle. Jungle is nothing but your forest where you find so many animals, so many trees, very big, huge, tall trees, and also the animals, right? So these animals live in the jungle, and they are called as the wild animals. What are these animals called? Wild animals. So now the lion, the tiger, the wolf, elephant, deer, fox, bear, giraffe, rabbit, monkey, and snake are common wild animals. What are the common wild animals? That everybody knows, because when you go to the zoo also, you will look forward to see all these animals. Yes or no? Yeah. So the same way, these animals are very interesting to see. And what are the animals? Let's read once again the wild animals that we see in the jungle, and sometimes we see them in the zoo also. So let's read them. Lion, tiger, wolf, elephant, deer, fox, bear, giraffe, rabbit, monkey, and snake are common wild animals. Now let's read the spellings of them. Lion, lion, tiger, tiger, wolf, wolf, elephant, elephant, deer, fox, fox, bear, bear, giraffe, giraffe, rabbit, rabbit, monkey, monkey, snake, snake. So what are all these animals? Wild animals. Very good. Can you see some of the animals in this picture? What are the wild animals you can see in this picture? Can you name them? What is this animal? Of course, this is also a pet animal, but this is a snake, lion, elephant, bear, deer, monkey, giraffe. All these are the wild animals which live in the jungle. Elephants and giraffes are very big animals. Can everybody read? Elephant, elephant. Giraffe, giraffe. Elephants and giraffes, plural this is, are very big animals. What are these animals? Very, very big animals. Can you see them just like this? You have to see, look up, heads up, and then you have to see. Okay. So they are very, very big animals. Fox, rat, hare, hyena, and deer are small wild animals. What are the small wild animals? Fox, fox, rat, rat, hare, hare, hyena, hyena, deer. These are some of the wild animals. Others are medium-sized animals. What are the other animals? They are the medium-sized animals. Now, since we know the names of the wild animals, now let's read the food of wild animals. Let's understand what do they eat. As children, what do you eat and drink? We know it very well. But what do the animals eat? Let's read from the lesson. Food of wild animals. Can everybody read that? Food of wild animals. Wild animals eat different kinds of food. Plant eating animals. What are the plant eating animals in this? In the wild animals also there are plant eating animals. Wow. So let's read about them. Animals such as elephant, zebra, deer, giraffe eat grass and other plants. What is the food of these animals? Elephant, zebra, deer, giraffe. What do they eat? They're the plant eating animals. What kind of animals? Plant eating animals. So what do they eat? They eat the grass and the other plants. Can you see them eating the grass here? The zebra is eating the grass. The deer is also eating the grass. The elephant is also eating a plant here. Yeah. So what is the food of these animals? The food of these animals is plants. Now, animals such as lion, tiger, they eat the flesh of the other animals. So what do we call them as? Flesh eating animals. What do we call them as? Flesh eating animals. Animals such as lion, tiger, wolf, crocodile, and hawk kill other animals and eat their flesh. So, what kind of animals are they? The lion, the tiger, the wolf, the crocodile, and the hawk. They kill other animals and eat their flesh. Let's read the spellings of these animals. Lion, lion. Tiger, tiger. You have to repeat after me. Wolf, wolf. Crocodile, crocodile. Hawk, hawk. All these are the animals which eat flesh. These are called as a flesh eating animals. Very good. Now you see them, what they are eating here. They are eating the flesh of the other animals. It's so scary, but they eat the flesh of the other animals because they are the wild animals, okay, that eat flesh. Now, some animals like the bear, the crow, what they eat, you know, they eat both plants and also the flesh of other animals. So let's read that also. Animals which eat both plants and other animals. Can everybody repeat? Animals which eat both plants and other animals. Animals such as bear, jackal, and crow eat both plants and flesh of other animals. Most birds eat both plants and animals. So let's read the spellings again. Animals such as bear, bear, jackal, jackal, crow, they eat both plants and flesh of other animals. Most birds eat both plants and insects. What do they eat? They eat both plants and insects. So let's read the whole paragraph once again. Animals such as bear, jackal, crow eat both plants and flesh of other animals. This full sentence is important. Most birds eat both plants and insects. Can you see the bear eating the flesh of other animal? And now, animals eating remains of dead animals. There is one more category of animals. What do they eat? They eat the dead animals like the vulture, fox, the jackal. They eat the remains of the dead animals. Like the lion eats the animal, kills the animal and eats, and it will leave some food over there. So that food will be eaten by the vultures, the fox, the jackal. So wild animals such as vulture, fox, fox, jackal, jackal, eat the remains of dead animals. Okay. Now, homes of wild animals. What is this? Homes of wild animals. So now we learned about the food of the animals. Now let's also read about the homes of the wild animals. What are the homes? Where do we live? Like how we have different house. Each one will live in a different kind of house. The animals also live in different kinds of house. So if they are the pet animals, you will make a house at your home for the animal. But if they are in the jungle, they have their own kind of home. So what is that home? Let's read that. Homes of wild animals. Wild animals live in different kinds of homes. Some wild animals do not make homes. What they do? They do not make homes. They live under the shades of trees or in caves. What do they do? They live under the shade of the trees. Can you see the elephant here? Where is the elephant here? The elephant is under the tree. The deer is under the tree. If it is very hot or if it rains, they go stand under the tree so that it protects them. Here, the lion will not make its home. It will go and live in a cave. Lions and tigers take shelter in rock caves called dens. Where do they live? Lions and tigers take shelter in rock caves called dens. Let's read the paragraph once again. Wild animals live in different kinds of homes. Some wild animals do not make homes. They live under the shades of trees or in caves. Lions and tigers take shelter in rock caves called dens. Birds make nests to live in. So this is about the homes of different animals we are learning. So we learned about the wild animals. Now we are learning about the birds. Birds make nests to live in. Can everybody repeat? Birds make nests to live in. What is the spelling of nest? Nests. Nests. Now, they make their nests on trees or in covered areas of buildings. So we are living in tall buildings, right? And so many grooves will be there, windows will be there, sunshades will be there. So sometimes you find the bird keeping the um, nest in your balcony. Yes or no? So they will make their own house. They make their own nest on the tall buildings also. So they make their nest on the trees or on the buildings. Can you see the bird's nest with the small chicks? Yes. Now let's see how the rabbits live. The rabbits, rats, and foxes make burrows. What do they make? Burrows, burrows. The rabbits, 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 rats, rats, foxes, foxes, they make their burrows. Can you see the rabbit here? It makes a burrow under the ground. Rat also makes a burrow. This fox also will make a burrow deep inside. Okay, so that nobody can see where it is. They will nicely sit in the burrow and they protect themselves. Okay, so what is the house of the rabbit, rat, and fox? They make the burrows. Now, monkeys and squirrels do not make homes, but they rest and sleep on trees. What do they do? Monkeys and squirrels do not make homes, but they rest and sleep on trees. They don't require any home. You must have seen a monkey jumping from one tree to another tree. What will they do? They will take the fruits from the tree. They will take some vegetables from the tree. They will jump from one tree to other tree, but they don't stay in any house. Now, let's read about the wild animals like the deer and zebra. Where do they live? Wild animals such as deer and zebras, they move about in the jungle. They do not make their home. They don't make their home. They just move from one place to other place. This is the deer. Can you see the deer here? So what is the deer doing here? It is going and picking some grass. And even the zebra also. It is not in a house. It is just going and eating the food. This is the zebra. Okay. So now let's read about the wild animals such as elephants, what they do. Wild animals such as elephants live in and around thick forests. They live in and around thick forests. So they don't sit in one place because they want food. They want some nice fruits to eat. They want some nice sugar canes to eat. So what they will do? They will move from one place to the other place. They will not sit in one place. They move around the thick forest. Why will they move around the thick forest? They move around the thick forest so that they get food. Okay. So now let's revise all the animals from the beginning. What all animals we studied today? We studied about the jungle and the wild animals in the jungle. What are the wild animals? Lion, deer, bear, elephant, giraffe, snake, rats, and all these rabbits. So what is the food for the wild animals? In wild animals also, some animals eat plants and some animals will eat the flesh. And some animals will eat the flesh and plants both. Now, what are the animals that eat plants? The deer, zebra, giraffe, and elephant eat the grass. What are the animals that eat flesh of other animals? The lion, tiger, wolf, crocodile, hawk, they kill other animals and they eat their flesh. What about the animals like bear and the crow? They eat both plants and meat. Now, some animals like the vulture, fox, jackal, they will eat the dead remains of other animals. Like the lion eats food and leaves. That food will be taken by these vulture and the fox. Now, coming to the homes of animals, the animals like elephants and deers, they don't have a fixed home. They will take shelter under the tree. And lion-like animals, they will not make a home. They will live with the dens. And the birds will make their own nest on the trees and sometimes in the buildings also. And what about the rabbits? The rabbits and the foxes and the rats, they will make a burrow under the ground. Can you see this is the ground? And under the ground, here, this is the ground. And under the ground, they make the burrow like this. Can you see? This is the ground. Okay. So nobody can understand that there is a rabbit here. See the burrow of the rat also here. I'm drawing with red pen. Can you see the burrow of the rat? Yeah. Now, see, this is the most interesting part, the burrow of the fox. This is very, very interesting and nobody can make out that the burrow of fox is here. Yes? Now, coming to the monkeys and squirrels, The monkeys and squirrels do not make their home, but they rest and sleep on the trees. So we keep seeing them jumping from one tree to the other tree. And the wild animals like the zebra and the deer, they don't sit in one place. They will move around in the jungle. And same with the elephant also. The elephant like animals, it will move around the thick forest. It will not sit in one place. So now what I want you to do is you have to take a big chart and you have to write the heading as the wild animals. And when half of the chart you have to make, and you have to write in half of the chart, you have to write about the um, animals and their homes. And half of the chart you have to make animals and their food. So you have to stick pictures of animals' homes and stick pictures of animals' food. So in one chart you do all these activities, and in part 2 lesson we will start revising the lesson and write the new words of it. So this is part A of lesson number 1, that is wild animals. After watching the video, what you have to do? You have to read the full lesson completely, learn all the spellings and do the activities. That's all for today. Thank you. Have a good day. We'll meet in the next class. Till then, bye-bye.